Ready to elevate your typing experience to the next level? Welcome to our guide on the best mechanical keyboards for 2023. A mechanical keyboard offers unparalleled typing feel and feedback, bringing a level of satisfaction that ordinary keyboards simply can't match. Let's delve into finding the perfect one for you and reveal our top picks. Our first pick for the best mechanical keyboard overall in 2023 is the Razer Pro Type Ultra. The Razer Pro Type Ultra stands out not only for its sleek white finish that complements any workspace but also for its outstanding performance. Equipped with Razer Yellow switches, known for their speed and quietness, this keyboard offers a gratifying linear typing experience. Its sculpted soft-touch keys, hinged feet, and cushioned wrist rest contribute to an exceptionally comfortable typing experience, making it ideal for prolonged usage. Who is this keyboard for, you might ask? Well, practically anyone. The Razer Pro Type Ultra is a versatile mechanical keyboard suitable for various use cases. It seamlessly transitions from a professional-looking setup during the day to a gaming companion at night. Let's take a look at the pros and cons. It offers Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, controls up to 4 devices, and boasts a bright backlight. However, it comes with a higher price tag, in line with wireless mechanical keyboards, and the Synapse 3 software, while powerful, requires registration and is Windows only, excluding macOS users. With 104 keys, Razer Yellow switches, and single-color key backlighting, it provides MKey rollover support and a detachable cushioned wrist rest. Moving on to our pick for the best budget mechanical keyboard in 2023, presenting the Montech MKey. Who says you need to break the bank for a quality mechanical keyboard? The Montech MKey might not be a household name, but it stands out as a fantastic option priced under $100. This sleek, full-size keyboard offers hot-swappable keys and mesmerizing per-key RGB lighting. It's an excellent choice for beginners diving into the world of mechanical keyboards or enthusiasts keen on customizing their typing experience. So, who is this keyboard for? It's perfect for anyone seeking an entry-level mechanical keyboard or those who prioritize customization without burning a hole in their pockets. Let's explore the pros and cons. The Montech MKey boasts hot-swappable Gateron G Pro 2.0 brown switches, extra keycaps for customization, a striking color scheme, per-key RGB lighting, and 3 typing angles. However, it lacks the ability to reprogram the rotary knob, and the software utility falls short of expectations. With 105 keys, Gateron G Pro 2.0 brown switches, multicolor LED key backlighting, onboard profile storage, and MKey rollover support, this USB-wired keyboard is an affordable gateway to the world of mechanical keyboards. Now, for our selection as the best wireless mechanical keyboard for gaming in 2023, we present the 8BitDo Retro. Dive into nostalgia with the 8BitDo Retro mechanical keyboard, inspired by the iconic NES, Famicom consoles. 8BitDo, known for its affordable yet high-quality peripherals, has crafted a retro-styled keyboard that not only pays homage but also delivers exceptional performance. Sporting an eye-catching NES, Famicom color scheme and inspired by classic consoles, this keyboard offers both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless connections. It features comfortable key switches that promise reliable typing experiences for gamers. Who should consider this keyboard? While you may find cheaper mechanical keyboards, few match the unique, stylish appearance of the 8BitDo Retro. It's for individuals aiming to save while embracing a distinctive retro-inspired design. Let's delve into the pros and cons. The 8BitDo Retro offers striking NES, Famicom color options, comfortable key switches, multiple connectivity options, easy remapping, all at an affordable price. However, the Nintendo-inspired aesthetic might not appeal to everyone, and some keyboard enthusiasts might find the keys slightly spongy. Additionally, the super buttons may have limited practical use. Featuring 87 keys, Calebox white clicky key switches, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB wired interfaces, onboard profile storage, and MKey rollover support, this keyboard is perfect for gamers seeking a wireless gaming experience with a nostalgic twist. Presenting our choice for the best mechanical keyboard for esports in 2023, the Corsair K70 RGB Pro. The Corsair K70 RGB Pro shares many attributes with the feature-rich K95 XT, offering a quality build and an extensive feature set. However, what sets this keyboard apart is its designation as a Pro model, featuring Cherry MX key switches in red, blue, or silver choices, and a unique tournament switch. This Pro designation includes a tournament switch that disables custom actions and macros, switches backlighting to a static single color to minimize distraction, and disables profiles or profile switching. These attributes make it a perfect choice for competitive players aiming for precision and focus during intense gaming sessions. Who will benefit from this keyboard? Professional gamers seeking a finely tuned and reliable keyboard for competitive battlegrounds will find the Corsair K70 an ideal companion. But it's not just for the pros, casual gamers can also appreciate its performance and features. Let's analyze the pros and cons. The Corsair K70 RGB Pro boasts a solid build, dedicated media keys, a convenient volume roller, a detachable braided USB cable, per key RGB backlighting, and an impressive 8000 Hz refresh rate. However, its higher price tag might deter budget-conscious buyers, and the differences in hyperpolling might be challenging to detect for most users. With 104 keys, Cherry MX blue switches, RGB per key backlighting, dedicated media controls, onboard profile storage, N-key rollover support, and a detachable magnetic palm rest, this USB-wired keyboard caters to the demands of esports enthusiasts seeking ultimate precision and functionality.
MX Mechanical is the new mechanical keyboard in the MX Master Series. It comes with 3 switch types, 2 sizes,
and they have been thought and designed to be optimal in terms of size and distance between the keycaps.
Feeling is really important when using mechanical keyboards because as you're typing, as you're working, as you're coding, you really want to have that reassurance and that feel.
What is unique about low-profile switches is the travel overall. It's quite reduced compared to traditional high-profile, and the actuation point becomes quicker and faster than other traditional keyboards.
You're able to place your hands in a more natural position, which means you'll be able to be working for longer hours in comfort.
We wanted to make sure you can work and perform without compromising this tactility and this feeling.
You have all this feeling, the satisfying bump, but without the noise.
As other mechanical keyboards, we wanted to make sure that MX Mechanical gives the choice to our users to choose between different switch types. So we have tactile quiet. It's about dampened noise, but then keeping the sensation in your fingertips, this satisfaction that our software developers are looking for. The smoothest switch we have is the linear. It's no bump and no noise, so it's a very straight tactile feeling. And then when we think about clicky, it's a very audible click. Backlighting is important to allow you to work in any situation, and MX Mechanical has this adaptive backlighting system that really changes depending on your environment.
But also as your hands approach, we have smart backlight, which means that the light will recognize your hands and it will light up.
And when you stop working, to optimize battery usage, but also your backlights, it turns it off. Our goal when we developed MX Mechanical was to make sure that we make the most productive keyboards for software developers. We had to think about important aspects that would make this keyboard stable and reliable at any moment of usage. So it has polished low-carbon aluminum top case. It enhances the stability overall of the keyboard.
One of the things that's also very cool about this product is that it has dual color keycaps. It's optimized for peripheral view. On top of that, MX Mechanical was designed for sustainability. When we're crafting the new generation of products, from the biggest to the tiniest components, we want to make sure that we reduce our carbon footprint.
So you can customize your MX Mechanical using the software Logi Options Plus. For example, there are some apps that you use every day, and you can map each different key to do something specific for that application. So it's really all about personalization, customization, to make the most of the product to fit your needs.
MX is all about bringing tools to users to stay in their flow, achieve peak performance, and work comfortably for long hours.
So when I'm pressing on MX Mechanical, I really feel I'm in control of what I'm doing, and this is what we wanted to give our users.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.